already called a lace police because my lace just ran away. It's gone. What's up, gang? It's Main B here, back with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be creating a lace front wig with this synthetic wig that I got from my local beauty supply store. It is from ItsAWig. That's the company, in the style Asia, in the color honey brown. Not exactly sure how many inches it is because it didn't really say, but it is kind of long. It goes down to about my waist. So there's the card. Right here I'm just showing you guys the cap construction. It does have 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back. It is a 13 by 6 unit, so it's gonna cover from ear to ear, like as far as the lace goes, but it doesn't go like as a free part. You can pretty much just do like a middle part or whatever. So I like it. It is pretty cute. They didn't do too bad on the hairline, as you can see right here. The hairline wasn't bad, but it definitely needed some tweaks. So I'm going in and checking out how that middle part looks, and definitely needs some work. So we gonna fix it, y'all, I promise. So in this next clip, I'm gonna be showing you guys what it looks like plucked right here. And then this is what it looks like unplugged. So as you can see, the difference is barely even detectable if you don't know. So yeah, that's pretty much what it was looking like. Excuse me. So I'm just showing you guys how I create my ball cap method. Pretty simple. I'll just go ahead and let the music play for a little bit right here. So you guys can see that I do use Got To Be spray for that, and then I'm gonna go in with some foundation after I cut it off. So let me just shut up and let y'all just watch the video for a little bit. Alright guys, so now that that's complete, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my wig grip gel by ORS that I seen Arrogant Tay use, of course, which he be slaying their wigs, baby. So I'm just going to go in exactly how he uses it. He uses his finger. So I'm putting that at the edge of my cap and a little bit on my skin there. So you're gonna see me adding a couple of layers of that. I wasn't really sure how much and how not much to add, I guess you can say. So I was just putting some. Now I do notice that he used the spritz spray or whatever it is, but I didn't buy that. So I just went in with my Got To Be Free spray so it could have the same effect on it. And now I'm just going in and spraying that with my, not spraying it, I'm sorry y'all. Going in and blow drying that with my blow dryer. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tint that lace with my Evian lace tint in light brown color. I did that with my wig. So unfortunately I let that stuff dry. I didn't think it was going to dry that fast. So learn from my mistakes, y'all. It dries kind of fast. So I had to put more on there, which was whatever, but I had to put more on there. So now I'm just going in and positioning this wig where I want it to be. I've already like plucked it and did all that good stuff to it. So now it's just all about putting it on and putting it where it needs to be. I was struggling because I was like, bro, is my head big? Like, it's definitely a snug fit. So I don't know, like big hair babies. I don't know. I said big hair. Same difference. Big hair, big head, big. Like, I don't know. Because I didn't think I had a big head. And it kind of was hard putting it on my head. So I'm just, going in, still adjusting that. I love this color, y'all. I love this color. So at the edge where I'm going to cut my lace off, I'm putting Got To Be. And then I'm going on and securing that with an elastic band. Blow drying that again and again and again and again. So continuing to blow dry that just to make sure I get that perfect melt in there. And then I'm actually just I went ahead and got in the shower and did all that extra stuff. And then I eventually just came back after, because I just didn't know how the wig grip gel was going to act. So I just wanted it to sit on there for a little bit longer. So now I'm going in with my wax stick from Care. I got this at my beauty supply store as well. I was looking at the little hole that I put in my lace. Y'all, I am not perfect. I make mistakes. So I'm just hoping that y'all can learn from the mistakes that I made so that y'all don't have to make those mistakes. But please don't pluck a hole in y'all lace. I was getting too pluck happy. Plucking hoes. Don't even get me started. So I'm going in with my, hot comb. And, getting that baby laid and slayed. You feel me? And that's on period. That's on motherfucking period. So yeah, just getting that baby laid and slayed. Look how much of a difference that makes to your hair, guys. Please use the hot comb. If you don't have a hot comb, please go out and buy one and get a wax stick, because that makes a total difference in your install. So at this point, I'm just spraying that some more, and then I'm gonna come back with makeup. So this makeup was the first time that I've ever done makeup on my face, like a full face of makeup, eyebrows, foundation, all that stuff. Not the best, and this lighting is terrible. It did me no justice. I gotta fix that. So basically, my makeup doesn't look the best, but it's okay because I'm gonna keep watching tutorials and we're gonna make it better. Like, it doesn't even matter at this point. We're gonna be okay. Don't trip. But I'm just, like, I had already cut my lace in sections, so I'm just gonna razor my lace off. That gives it that jagged look, so it looks a little bit more natural. If you use scissors, that's fine too. Just don't cut in a straight line. So that's just what I'm doing here, just razoring that lace off. This lace is really good. It was HD lace. I did not bleach the knots or anything because obviously it is a synthetic wig and I wasn't about to I wasn't about to risk it, so I just used the EBN, or however you say that, lace tint, and that's how we did that. So right here, you see me going in with my ORS, just putting that on there again, putting the elastic band on there, and going ahead and blow drying that so I can get the rest of that lace that didn't get laid down. So that's what I was doing here, y'all. I am gonna go in with my wax stick again, and my hot comb. I don't know why I did it so much. When I watched this video back, I was like, man, why did I keep hot combing and putting that wax stick and spray on my stuff? I just wanted that mess to stick, baby. I didn't want her to go nowhere that day. So just to give you guys a little bit more information, this is a fully glueless install. I loved it. Like, I usually use Erica J's glue, but I really loved the glueless method. I like that wig grip gel a lot, actually. So I think I'm going to continue to use that when I do quick installs and want to change my hair out or take my wig off later that night, or whatever may be the case. So now you see me going in with my hot comb, like I said, once again. But that just goes to show y'all that this hair is truly iron safe. It is truly iron safe. They are not lying about that, because I was hot combing a mess out of it. Okay. Somebody called a lace police because my lace just ran away. It's gone. Guess what time it is? It's time for them edges, baby. Edges. Yes. So if you guys are, new to my channel, go ahead and watch my other videos where I pretty much give out another disclaimer, because I suck at doing edges. Like, I'm just not good. Like, I need to watch more videos and invest more time into it, which I am going to do for y'all, of course. But this is just what we got to do and work with for now. So I just, cut out a little bit of hair and razored that hair. And then I went ahead and razored the other hair. And then I'm going to put some wig grip gel on the baby hairs and use my rat tail comb to position them into place. So I just used the wig grip gel because I was just like, it's a gel and I wanted them to be more secure, just add extra security to the wig there. So there you see me doing my rat tail comb and that little swoopity swoop. After I put my hair down, it really didn't look that bad. Like, it didn't look terrible. So I was pretty satisfied with these edges. They weren't like overly excessive because I wanted it to look kind of natural, since like the color is really natural. I really like this color on my skin tone. I've had it a couple of times with my natural hair, but yeah, like I really like this color on my hair. So I was really pleased with that. I might get a human hair wig like this color. I don't know. I might even dye it myself because it's pretty easy to do. So yeah, y'all see me going in with my Got2b, and just fixing that, making that part a little bit more defined at the top, and then combing those little extra flyaways away. And then I'm gonna go back in with my hot comb so that I can secure all that where I need it to be, or where I want it to be, really. So like I said, that hot comb makes a heck of a difference. So boom, there she is, slow motion for you. She's looking really good. She's looking great. But yeah, guys, that's what I'm working with. So sorry the video was so long. It could have probably been better, but we working on it. But let me know if you guys like this look. This is a synthetic wig, like I said before. But before I make this video 50 minutes long, let me just go ahead and say, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below other videos you might want to see from me. And if you like this look, let me know if you guys like this look. This stuff does work. So let me know what else you guys would like to see. But without further ado, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. And if you're subscribed already, love you guys. Welcome back. If not, then please make sure you join the gang. So yeah, guys, let's just get on with the next one. But no, all right. Love you guys. Bye.
My life on the line, they tell me to slow down. My mama don't like it when she be hearing me rapping like I was a broke child. But a nigga can't fake it, our life I'ma change. This life I live dangerous, so heartless and painless.